Hello! Decoration is a fascinating topic as it does not have any specific rules to follow. However, there are some guidelines. If we follow them, then the space will look more interesting and welcoming. In this course, we have divided the essential elements of decoration into 7 parts called layers of decoration to make understanding easier. In the course, we begin with the first and the most crucial layer, color. We will cover primary, secondary, and tertiary colors as well as warm, cool, and neutral tones. Next, we delve into various color schemes accompanied by examples. We will also explore the psychological impact of colors and delve into advanced color theory. These topics, along with many more details, will be covered in depth in color. Moving forward, we explore flooring. Types, characteristics, and suitability are richly illustrated for comprehensive understanding of design impact. Learn how each choice can enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your space with insights into the diverse options available. In the third layer, furnishing, you will examine both upholstered and non-upholstered items, each in its own distinct sections. Within furnishings, another crucial layer is fabrics. This topic delves into both natural and synthetic fibers, exploring their classifications, uses, and applications. By studying the vast array of fibers available, learners gain insights into their diverse uses and functionalities. Now we arrive at the most exciting layers, the icing on the cake, accessories, plants, and lighting. Here you will uncover the art of arranging these elements to breathe life into a space, adding personality and charm in captivating ways. The course is subdivided into smaller capsules for easy understanding. Filled with pictures and illustrations, it aims to engage learners and facilitate comprehension through visual aids rather than mundane text. Following the course, practice tests and quizzes are incorporated to assess your understanding and reinforce key concepts. While taking the course, if you have any doubt or question, please write to me. I will get back to you. I'm sure you're going to have enough knowledge at the end of the course. As I move on, one thing I should mention here is the course comes with a 100% money back guarantee in case someone does not find any value addition. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Before I wind up, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Anjali. I'm an architect and interior designer by education. I have teaching exposure in this field and teaching is my passion. With all my experience, I have skimmed through this space and designed the course all about interior decoration and many other courses just for you. You will find links to all my courses below. Looking forward to meet you in the course. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.